Once your images begin uploading to Samaro, you can also try the instant AI edits feature. Here's how it works. You first review your uploaded photos, select the ones you'd like to keep in your gallery, and then apply Samaro's AI edits for a polished result. Before using this feature, just make sure you've purchased AI editing credits in advance. Now, here's a useful tip for Camera to Cloud users. Before starting your event, it's best to unpublish your gallery post. That way, your photos will upload quietly in the background while you work. Once you're done with all your edits, you can publish the gallery to give your guests and clients the best possible viewing experience, with only your finished images on display. To edit your photos using the Samaro AI edit feature, make sure you're on a laptop. The editing process works only through the laptop version, so keep the tab open until the edit is fully complete. Once the edit is done and applied to your image, the original photo automatically moves to the trash, where it stays safely for 7 days, just in case you want to restore it later. Now, if you decide to apply another preset to the same photo after your first edit, the new edit will be applied to the original image, but only if that original still exists in the trash. So make sure you don't permanently delete it before you're done experimenting with your edits.